Yo, what is going on, everybody? I hope you're having a good day. If you clicked on this video, your day could be even better, because that is right, we are giving away a second pair of shoes, and I will be giving this away when I hit 3,000 subscribers. So to everyone that is finding my channel through this video, I have a lot of cool content that I've already done on my channel, but I am usually able to cop every single upcoming Yeezy, so if you're interested in that, make sure to watch all of my upcoming videos. And yeah, just go check out some of my previous videos. I've got some pretty cool stuff on there. So here we have the shoebox right here. This is an NMD R1 V2. I've already done like a little review on this shoe. So if you want to go check that video out, I'm going to put a little card right there. I've never actually done that. So here are the shoes right here. Now all you have to do to enter into this giveaway is click on the link at the top of the description, and it will send you to another site, and basically you just put your email in and you put your channel name, and you don't have to have content or anything. I remember somebody asked that on my other giveaway. You just have to put your channel name so I can go and check and see if you're subscribed. And that's another thing, you have to be subscribed to my channel, and you don't want to be picked and then I go see that you're not subscribed, then you won't win the sneaker. So this is a 9.5, I think I already said that, but the NMD R1 V2 in this black and gold colorway. The pull tab on this one is red, as you can see, and then the one on there is blue, right there. So this is a very interesting sneaker, and even if you aren't a 9.5, you can sell these for a good amount of money. These retail for $130. Even if you aren't a 9.5, it could be a good resale item or to start your sneaker collection. So I remember last time when I did a sneaker giveaway, a lot of people were commenting like they were giving these to people or something, and like I just don't know if those stories are true. Now, so don't make up stories and just comment to try to make me feel bad for you, because this is all going to be fair. This is going to be like totally a random selection. Okay, so again, how you enter is you just subscribe to my channel, and also you have to give this video a like. And so you subscribe, give this video a like, and then you click on the link in the description, and it will bring you to the site where you can put your email in, your channel name, and then you're all set. Okay, so good luck to everyone that has entered. Again, I will be announcing the winner when I hit 3,000 subscribers. That shouldn't take too long, because I started growing super fast like about a month ago. So let's get to 3,000 subscribers and make sure you watch my upcoming videos. But as always, thank you guys for watching.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you want baby, yeah, we should be closer than friends.